So, ayun yung simbahan.
So cool.
Doon sila pupunta para sa camp nila. Let's go na. Maglakad na tayo.
Oh, so it is astronauts today.
Aha.
That's crazy.
So, ito yung outdoor
I think
na
we're gonna eat dinner
simbahan.
here. We're gonna eat dinner here.
Outdoor. Kapag
Oh, we're eating
ayaw
dinner.
mo sa loob. Ay,
No, we're gonna eat dinner
ayan.
here.
Ayan.
Last time we ate dinner at the lawn though.
So, iyan yata yung lumang simbahan. Anong meron ka sa bulsa?
Some more.
Ching ching.
You are the salt.
You are the salt of the earth.
You are the light.
You are
The light of the
light
world.
world.
A town
Town
built on a hill cannot be hidden. Let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. Matthew 3 to 16. Matthew 13, I meant to 16.
Yan na.
Oh, ganda.
Ayan, yung
Who's
simbahan.
gonna be here?
Dito nagbabaptism. Ayan, sa camp na. Yung camp nila. Excited ka na?
Yeah.
Check in, find your group.
Hey, yo.
Ayan na. Doon ka, anak. Doon ka sa may astronaut.
Bye.
Thank you. Nice. Ayan na, papasok na siya sa kanyang dito yung meeting, ay yung dito sila magmi-meet.
Thanks.
Ayan.
If you want, you can just take a tour around.
Sorry.
What's up? I'm back. I'm back, gang. It's so moisty, look.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Wait.
Okay, let's go. Pasok ka na. Saan? Ay, ang ganda naman dyan. Bye-bye! Sorry, go ahead. Ayan na, papasok na siya. Bali, dito sila mag-meet. Green 3A siya, susundan natin. Hindi ko na siya makita, pero ito yung grupo nila. Nakita ko na siya. Wala pang t-shirt. Okay, so uwi na ako dahil nahatid ko na si Joseph. 8 o'clock pa ulit yung pick up ko sa kanya. Ito yung klase niya noon. Yan.